Did you know that you can integrate Notion with TickTick? Yes, you can. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. But before I jump in, I just want to mention that in order for you to do this, you need to have a premium account or premium subscription on TickTick to do it. Now, let's dive in. Once you're in TickTick, click your account on the upper left and go into the settings. From here, you want to go down to where it says integration and import. And from here, you will find the option with Notion and the list. And so, as I said, once you click on that, you will see that it's going to trigger you to upgrade if you haven't got, let's say, a premium account or premium subscription. And this is what you'll get. And so you can sync your Notion database with TickTick and migrate your tasks effortlessly. This allows you to edit in TickTick, sync to Notion for seamless two-way synchronization. And so you can easily go ahead and let's say integrate both of them and sync your data. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.